Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest Typhoon 2000 weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, February 9 to 11, 2022. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Thursday. We have a slight surge of the Northeast Monsoon affecting the Batanes-Batanes Group of Islands, as well as the coastal areas of Ilocos Norte. So we expect some visi conditions of 30 to 50 kph with some possible passing light showers, particularly along the Batanes and Batanes Group of Islands, and also along the coastal areas of Ilocos Norte, while the rest of Luzon will remain good, sunny to partly cloudy, with some very light winds from the northeast and variable winds in either side of the mountainous areas of Luzon, while over the Bicol region, Mimaropa, Sulu Archipelago, Visayas, as well as the Caraga region of Mindanao, there will be some winds of 15 to 40 kph. These are northeasterly surface wind flow that will bring some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly across various sections of the Visayas and the Caraga region. While along the rest of Mindanao, we have the western edge of the surface trough, and it's expected to bring some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly during the afternoon or evening. Outside of PAR, we don't have any developing LPA or tropical cyclone for the next few days. And as well as the latest computer models suggest no tropical cyclone formation for the next 10 days. So that's the latest from GraphSat. Here's the fast animation to show it to you, the cloudiness generated by the surface trough and the northeasterly surface wind flow. And if we check now the zoom in satellite animation, this is the infrared sensor. It shows here that developing thunderstorms can be seen across the central and the western sections of Mindanao, particularly along the southern portions of the Davao region and the southernmost part of Soxygen. These are thunderstorms generated by the surface trough, while here are areas like Siargao, Dinagat, Surigao provinces, we have the cloudiness and rains brought about by the northeasterlies. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry and quite breezy or windy, particularly along the extreme northern parts of Luzon because of the monsoon and the northeasterly surface wind flow. Now let's take a look at the rain, pressure, and wind forecast from the European model for the next 3 days until Saturday. So right now, these are the thunderstorms generated by the northeasterlies and the surface trough. And by tomorrow afternoon, we could still expect some rain showers, scattered rain showers and thunderstorms in some portions of Visayas, particularly along Leyte, Cebu, and also over the northern and central sections of Mindanao. This is due to the combined effects of the surface trough and the northeasterly surface wind flow. And on Friday afternoon, more thunderstorms will be expected along the eastern sections of the Visayas and various sections of Mindanao because of the rain bands or rain clouds brought about by the northeasterly surface wind flow. And up here across the eastern sections of Luzon, including some smaller portions of eastern Camarines Sur, particularly along the Partido district and coastal areas of Camarines Norte, there could be some slight showers, but mostly sunny with cloudy skies along these areas. So the winds here is mainly due to the northeasterly surface wind flow. And on Saturday afternoon, some thunderstorms will start to move farther west, affecting the rest of the Visayas, portions of the Bicol region, including Quezon province. This is due to the rain bands brought about by the easterly surface wind flow. So on Saturday, the winds will shift more from the east. So these warm easterlies will generate more thunderstorms across the Visayas, portions of the Bicol region, and Quezon province. And also here, some convection, local convection will produce some thunderstorms across central, northern, and western Mindanao. That includes Zamboanga Peninsula, Misamis Occidental, Lanao provinces, and areas like Cotabato City, and some portions of Soxagen. So far, that's the latest from the wind, rain, and pressure forecast from the European model. So if we sum up the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Saturday, these are the rains that will be expected. It will be more frequent along the eastern sections of Samar, eastern sections of Leyte, and the Dinagat, Siargao Islands, as well as Caraga Region. These are the rainfall brought about by the northeasterly, shifting more from the easterlies, beginning on Saturday. While the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain dry with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly along the extreme northern and eastern sections of Luzon, most especially here along the northern Quezon area. So expect some light rains along these areas. Okay, so far that's the latest from the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. And if we take a look at the latest global tropics hazards and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, this is valid for the next 2 weeks, issued every Wednesday. So for week 1, valid February 9 to 15. You could expect some normal climate conditions across the Philippine Islands without any severe weather expected to form or below average rainfall. It's all good. While on the second week, February 16 to 22, there could be some possible of above average rainfall over Davao region and portions of Caraga and Soxagen because of the prevailing easterlies. And possible there could be some approaching surface troughs that could generate this above average rainfall. So watch out for that. For week 2, this is at high confidence. So that's the latest for today from the Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook of NOAA. So there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday, and we will return on Friday to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, be healthy and strong, and thank you so much for watching our channel.